This is Big Hawk.
And Little Colt.
Let's get our game on.
Let's go! It's Christmas time!
Yes, on Silent Biggie Gamer style. So what are we going to do to bring in the Christmas spirit, Little Colt?
12 days of Christmas, you already know what it is!
Yep, so how's it going to work?
Each day we're going to post a video of us opening a package like this.
What do you think's in that?
I don't know.
What do you think's in that one? That one, then we got this one. What do you think's in that? Ooh, feel that one.
Ooh.
Yeah, that one feels cool too. What about?
I have no idea.
No idea what that is. Okay, cool. So
stay tuned.
Yep. So pretty much what we're going to do, guys, is all these packages you see here, we're going to open up one a day. We have some other packages that Santa hasn't brought yet, and we're going to wrap and everything like that. So make sure you stay tuned to see what's in all these packages in the comment section. Try to guess what they are. All right, guys. So stay tuned. When is it going to be?
It starts the 14th, and that's a Wednesday.
Yep. So this Wednesday it'll start, and make sure you tune in. We're going to try to have the videos up by maybe like 3 or 4 every day. So make sure you tune in to see what's in these packages.
And keep spreading that Christmas joy.
Yep. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you crush the subscribe button.
Right, dude? Down like button.
Let's go.